Yo, what's up, guys? And I'm gonna teach you guys how to make your pictures transparent PNG, you know what I'm saying, on GIMP. So, first of all, do just copy the image that you want to uh, make transparent PNG. So, after you just click paste. Yeah, so I'll choose this sexy man as an example of the transparency. So, so after you uh, paste your image, so just fucking select view, zoom, and fit image in window so it gets closer so you can see more. So after that, you go to layer, transparency, and add. Just click add alpha channel, but I'll already click that, so yeah, you just click alpha channel. So after clicking alpha channel, you're just gonna cut it like on the sides. Make sure like it's like on the skin, you know, so you can't see the like size, so it doesn't look ugly. You know what I'm saying? Like, so just just click it like that. It's better. Or you can actually hold your mouse button, but I mean it gets kind of like ugly if you do that. You know what I'm saying? Like, but if you have a steady hand or like you're using a touchpad, like I'll recommend just holding it outside. So I'm just cutting it, you know. So there you go. I'll cut it all like all the sides. So just after that, just go to select and click invert. So you can see the fucking line change and all. So like, so you click select again. You go further, and you can choose whether you want all the numbers. But I click 5,000, so it's just it doesn't really matter. So it looks kind of clear in the cut. You click OK after that. Then after you just click edit and you click clear, or you can just press delete. So there you go. It's now transparent. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.